Hey everybody, it's going to be a quick video going over the air purifier filter in the Lexus LS430. Now, this is only relevant if you have an ultra luxury package. You'll know if you have an ultra luxury package because you'll have the air suspension. One of the main ways to tell that is to look at how many buttons you have there on your center console. Another way you'll know is that you'll have the package in the back seat. Well, hold on, those doors are locked now. I have the key. All right, so you'll have this here, and you'll have all these buttons. And there's a button here you'll see rear AC and air purifier. So basically you just turn on the AC, but you'll kind of hear the purifier kick on. It's independent from the AC through the rest of the car. Like, it's independent from that. You'll hear it come through those vents up there, and you kind of hear this motor going on behind the seat. So that has a filter, a very expensive filter. You can find them on eBay. That was the cheapest I found them. Typically for like $96. So you're looking at about $100. And according to Lexus, on this thing right here, it says that you're supposed to replace it every 10,000 miles or once per year under severe conditions more frequently. Now, from the all the forums that I looked at, most people are not replacing these things at all, let alone once a year, every 10,000 miles. And I get it because this bad boy is expensive. But I just noticed something, and I'm going to practice. Let's see if it's going to be like this on the one that's in here. I'm pretty sure that this is original. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy off. You just pull this out. All right. And you want to pay attention to the orientation. Now, the tab goes at the top. So this is going to go in like that with that on top. That side is white. The other side is carbon. And I just noticed that this tab is broke on this brand new one that I got here. I don't think that that will matter much, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and pull this out. It slides out easily. Stick your finger in there and just pull it out. And let's look at the difference. It's pretty nasty. So check this out though. I noticed inside the package, I had accidentally lifted this thing up. And I think the reason why this thing costs so much is because of the housing here. That's really what we're paying for, even though it's just in plastic. And filters are typically cheap, but check this out. If you, or maybe it's not working on this. I'm gonna have to put the phone down probably. Let me see. Okay, so you lift that, move that tab out of the way, you can pull this up, right? Pull this up. All right, and then you can pull this filter out, just a regular old filter. So look, y'all, we don't have to spend that type of money. We could just go get a regular old filter that squeezes in this bad boy, find one that matches up to this, squeeze it in there, put these little grooves in, and voila, you got yourself a fresh filter. I hope this helps, because I don't know anybody else that's talking about this or discovered that. So with that said, I'll catch you guys next time. I'm going to have a nice video going over the car and then comparing it to, actually I'm going to compare it to my older one, my 02. This is a 04. We're going to go over all the differences with that. And then we're going to compare this bad boy to the Phaeton behind this big door here. But that'll be coming soon. And then that bad boy is going up for sale. Another thing I wanted to note with this, I just took the filter out. You just saw me do that. But I wanted you to see how this thing works. Because it's more than just an extra filter. This is actually a UV light. I wonder if mine even works. But there's a UV light that's supposed to kill the bacteria that gets that's going up throughout the cabin. So in the front, in the glove box, you have a cabin air filter. So that filters the air that comes into the cabin. This here filters the air inside of the cabin, all right? And it brings all the stuff in here, and it kills all the bacteria and the germs. It's kind of like the Tesla, how it has that biohazard mode. But this is, you know, way before that time. and then you can see the fan sucking it in, bring it out, and then it shoots it right back through the top there, or maybe it comes in through there, and I don't know. No, that wouldn't make sense. It would probably come in through the bottom, so that the UV, I don't know. I ain't even gonna try to start explaining all that, but basically it's a UV light in there that kills all the bacteria, and it sucks in all the cabin air, and then it blows it back out through the cabin as fresh, clean, purified air. So pretty righteous that this is in a 2004, and actually it was in the 2001s as well, but those filters are slightly a different size. Now to put the new filter in, it's quite easy. You're just gonna take it, this is gonna be the top. You wanna tilt it just a little bit to get that tab in there, and then you just push it into the snaps. And there you go. These, you really can't mess up because, you know, air purifier should read right side up and upside down, but you see this is vertical and this side is horizontal to match with that horizontal one and that vertical one, so you really can't mess this up. But I should probably clean this. What you think about that? I'm gonna go ahead and clean that real quick. All right, so I just gave this thing a quick wipe down. I just sprayed a little Windex on there, and I'm glad I did, because look at that thing. That is nasty. So now we're just gonna go ahead and put this in there again. Air purifier right side up. You just line one up till it goes in. Huh? Well, I'm holding the phone. This would be a lot easier if I, oh, there we go. Boom, boom. And there you go, filters changed. We're gonna do the seats next, but I'll do that when those come. All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful.